friends, this is ROYALHEMU. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I am going to show you how to use your mobile phone as a GoPro or like as a cam to the helmet. Okay. Actually, this is the cam which I am using in my previous videos for this motovlogging, but this one is not working now. So in this video, I am going to show you how to use mobile phone for a motovlogging. So let's go and check the video completely till the end. And if you are watching my videos first time, please subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end. And please like, share and comment to this video. Now I will show you how to set up a mobile to the helmet for the motovlogging. Please check this out. In this helmet, I set up my motovlogging. So here you can see one. So with that one screw, and I fixed it with one board like this. And this is the mobile holder. You can get it from Amazon or Flipkart. Okay, so this one I fixed it. This mobile holder I fixed to this screw. So I set up the mobile holder to the helmet. So now I am going to fix the camera here. This is the mobile I am going to fix with my helmet for a motovlogging. Let me fix it once. So yes, I fixed it. So next thing will be I have to so as you can see, I fixed my mobile camera to the helmet. So with the help of the holder, mobile case holder, and if you see here one screw I fixed it. It will be very tight, so no issues with that shaking and all. So it will be very tight. So now the camera is ready with the helmet, so we have to fix the mic for this one to record the audio and all. I am using my earphones for a mic for this one, so let me fix it and I will show you how this will work. I am going to use this earphones mic for a motovlogging setup with this helmet, so let me show you how to fix this one. So I fix the earphone here, and from here the remaining wire and all I keep it inside. So from the inside, this is how the inside. So this is the mic. So the mic came out, and the remaining wire, everything I kept it aside, so it won't be. Let me wear and I will show you how it will come. So I am now I started recording this video. So let me fix it with my head and I will show you how it will come. So I think are you able to hear me properly? I think you will get a proper voice. And this is how I set up a motovlogging with my mobile holder. This is my new motovlogging setup with my mobile camera. Let me show you how it will be. So this is how I set up my mobile motovlogging for now, and this is my new motovlogging setup with my Richest mobile phone. So if you like this one, please try it and please comment me below. And hope you understand how I set up the motovlogging. So let's go into the bike and then check it out how the video is coming out with the bike. So how it is recording the video position.
Hi friends, I am back on the highway now. Hope this video audio is coming properly, and this is the first time I am vlogging like this with this mobile camera. And this is a NH5 highway. So right now I'm going to meet my friend. Now I am going on the Penna river, which is near to my hometown. Hello, the gates are open in the Sumsila dam. That's why water is coming from there, and this water will go to the Bay of Bengal. And Bay of Bengal from my home city is near 20 kilometers from here. And hope I think video is coming properly. And please comment me below, guys, how this video is and all, how my motovlogging setup is and all. And now the time is morning 6 o'clock. Very nice riding, so very chill ride. Now I am going to meet my friend, and once my work is done I will come back to my home. And please check my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and please comment below how the video is. Done with my work, right now I am heading to my home, and the time is right now 9 o'clock. Now we'll see how this audio video quality is the full traffic, and if the moto vlogging setup is good and nice, I don't have to spend 10,000 rupees for action camera and another 1,000 rupees for a mic setup. So all this money will be saved so that I can use for some other things. And this mobile which I am using for this vlogging is a 5,000 rupees only, and this is the Asus mobile. This is Asus mobile, it is a lower end mobile, so it will cost around 5,000. So the mic also which I am using, that is just a earphone mic, so no need to bother about. And I think this motovlogging setup will work. And please comment me below, guys, the video and audio quality. Hope this one will work and save my money a lot. So okay, I reached my home. Hope this video is recorded properly. We'll see how it will come. Thank you guys for watching the video.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.